Now today we will discuss exercise 8.1. Read the question number 1. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB is given 24 centimeter and BC is given 7 centimeter. And we need to calculate sin A cos A and sin C cos C. So as we discussed in example, students, first we need to calculate hypotenuse here. And by using Pythagoras theorem, we can easily calculate AC. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Right? By using Pythagoras. By using Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC. AB square is what? 24 square plus 49. 7 square. That is what? 24 square is 576 plus 49, that is 625. And what is AC? Taking square root both sides, we get 25 centimeter. It means this one is 25 centimeter. Yes or no? Okay. Now, what we need to calculate? Sin A. Sin A. For this angle A, this one is opposite and this one is hypo. So opposite upon hypo means BC upon AC. That is equal to what? 7 upon 25. Yes or no? Now, what we need to calculate? Cos A. Cos A. How we calculate cos A? Cos A, that is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent upon hypo, it means AB upon AC, that is 24 upon 25. Now, in the second part, we need to calculate sin C. For this angle, this one is opposite and this one is what? Sorry, opposite upon hypo, it means 24 upon 25. This one is sin C. AB upon BC is equal to sin C. Now, similarly, look at here. Cos C, adjacent upon hypo, 7 upon 25. This is cos C. Understand? Sin A is equal to cos C, and we discuss this concept in next segment of this chapter, right? How we get sin A is equal to cos C, right? But here we use the trigonometric ratio for sin and for cosine. Okay, this is for issue number 1. Now, students, this is question number 2. Look at the screen, because in question number 2, diagram is given, right? And we need to calculate tan P minus cot R. So, students, first we need to calculate QR, the third side, right? Here we can use Pythagoras theorem and find QR. 13 square 169 minus 144. Yes, that is what? 25. And then we get QR as 5 centimeter. Yes or no? And you can easily calculate tan P and then calculate cot R and find out the tan P minus cot R. Yes. Now, students, question number 3. In question number 3, sin A is equal to 3 by 4. That is given, and we need to calculate cos A and tan A. So it means what? Sin A is equal to 3 by 4. It means 3k upon 14. Why? Because it is ratio given. I repeat again, because it is ratio, that's why we use k here. And you know that what is sin A? Opposite upon hypo. That's why opposite upon hypo, right? And then we calculate what? Third side by using Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC, and we get AB is equal to under root 7k. Now you can easily calculate cos A. Students, what is cos A? Cos A is adjacent upon hypo. For this angle A, adjacent is what? Under root 7. K upon 4K is under root 7 upon 4K. Similarly, you can get 10A. What is 10A? Opposite upon adjacent, 3 upon under root 7K. Right? Now, similarly, you can calculate in question number 5, sec theta, that is given 13 upon 12. Look at the screen. 13 upon 12. It means easily draw right angle triangle, and you can first find out the third side by using Pythagoras theorem, and then calculate all other trigonometric ratios as given in the question 5. So I hope first 5 questions you can easily solve, and then in the next video we will solve the question number 6 to question number 11. Thank you.